Welcome back to the shop. Today we're gonna do LEDs, baby.
Mustang.
All right, as advertised, we've got sequential LED taillights that we're gonna put in the back of the car. I'm only finding if it was somewhere else. We have a special guest here today in the garage. We have Captain Beansy back there. Wave hi. Say, wait big. Say hi. There we go. She's back there. She's making sure I stay out of trouble. So with this kit that I got, I'll show you all the goodies. So we got the headlight, or the LEDs themselves. Big, huge rubber grommet. The gasket and the bucket. And on top of that, we're going to put our outside trim pieces, shiny brand new, with the studs going in from the outside, and then we're gonna put it all together. Hopefully it won't be as crazy as doing the headlights. So let's get to it. We're gonna start out by putting these trim pieces in from the outside, and once we got all of them installed, then we're gonna build on the inside. So here we go. Got the trim piece, got the rubber grommet. Rubber grommet goes in the back of the trim piece here, like so, and it doesn't really stick in, but you gotta do the best you can. And these studs go in the back of these guys right here like this. Now the bummer, these are all Scott Drake, by the way. Got them on CJ's. Problem of it is they don't come with nuts, washers, or anything else like that. It's the stupidest thing ever. How about it, guys? All right. So one at a time, very carefully, so we don't chip paint. Just gonna put them in little slots that go in the back. All right. Now I get my bucket out. So you can see the longer swoopy goes to the top like this, and it just goes over the studs. So each one of these guys, holes right here is where the studs go in. First, before we do that though, we need to put the light in. So we take the light out, glorious light that it is. As you can see, this is the back of it.
Notice the switch. The switch goes up for the left turn signal and it goes down for the right turn signal. So make sure you have those right when you have those installed in the back of your car.
So this guy goes into your traditional harness, you know, the socket in the back. So you also have to do it a certain way. See how the longer swoop is up here? The longer swoop is up here. Make sure you don't put it in backwards.
All right, boys and girls, all we're doing here is we're putting in the backing and some of the hardware necessary to get everything all situated inside the bucket there. And I'm wrapping it all up, and what I'm gonna do is once I have the plastic, hardware installed, and if I can get my screwdriver working, I'm going to bring the bucket with the unit in it in from the back, and I'm going to straddle the studs that are already going through in those bezel pieces. lining this up gets a little bit tricky because you have 3 studs on the top, 3 studs on the bottom, none of which are secured. So as you put the bucket in and try to push towards those studs, it kind of throws everything askew, as you can see in the video. So you just have to be patient and slowly work everything together. This part's going to take a little bit of patience. I mean, you got 6 screws and they're all kind of just doing their own thing, and so you just need to take your time. Don't get frustrated, but just make sure that you have everything in there snug. Make sure you go through all the studs, alternatively, so you're not tightening one side down more than the other. You kind of just want to, go around all the studs and tighten them all equally, so you've got a nice secure fit all the way around. All right, so this side is installed. So all I gotta do now is put some power to it and check it out. Okay, so let's put the lights on so we can get park lights. Lights are on, now I need to ground the wire here. Let's try it over here, there we go. So obviously I need to get a decent ground going, but the light works.
And it looks good. It's probably flashing because of the shutter rate. You know, if it's flickering, you know, in the camera, it's probably because of the shutter rate of my phone. But visually here, sitting in front of it, it's not blinking. I mean, it's not shuttering or anything like that. So, looks good. Now I just have to finish wiring it up and do the other side. Brake lights.
All right, folks, that's going to do it for the install of the taillights. Hope you enjoyed the video. We got other videos on their way. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let us know how we're doing. Appreciate it. Thanks for stopping by. See you next time.
I gotta have faith.